Funds earmarked for a new St. James Parish Court have been withdrawn. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck told journalists recently that the Ministry of Finance was left with no choice as the project failed to get off the ground. We have details in this report. The search for a new home for the St. James Parish Court has been on the agenda of successive governments, and as time runs out, lawyers are getting frustrated.
The reality is the building which is currently being used is short on space. We're not able to have all the courtrooms that we need. Additionally, there's insufficient parking around the court, and when it rains and the North Gully comes down, the courthouse has been flooded in the past because of heavy rains.
Checks by our news center reveal that for the fiscal year 2019-2020, $100 million had been set aside for the acquisition of land for the new courthouse, another $50 million for professional services to include architectural design and geotechnical services. That money is now back in the hands of the Ministry of Finance.
In September, when the Ministry of Finance came to the ministry, it recognized nothing concrete had happened. And the end result of it all is that the Ministry of Finance have taken back from the Ministry of Justice several $100 million, because they say the likelihood is that you won't be able to spend it in this fiscal year.
The Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the ministry has been actively searching for a new location for the courthouse.
In St. James, I am sorry to report, but we have not been able to find an appropriate property to build that St. James Parish Court or regional complex. We had started to look at the National Water Commission land, but the truth of it is we did the geotechnical work, which cost quite a few $1 million. And what they reported is that it's waterlogged, it's not appropriate to build there. So we started to look again. We saw several other land, some of it not appropriate, but others, the private investors were asking too much. Like I remember we saw 4 acres where they were asking $2 million US per acre, which is $8 million. That is just out of the contention.
There's also debate about whether the new facility should be located in the heart of Montego Bay or on the outskirts. For the Cornwall Bar Association, the city capital presents its own challenges.
The heart of Montego Bay is getting very congested. Montego Bay is highly trafficked, and so if we can have it out on the outskirts, because the town is expanding, and well, the city is expanding, and so we could have it on the outskirts, I'm sure it will inure to the benefit of all concerned.